Hi, this is Jodie from VIVE Cooking School. I want to talk to you about onions today and get to know your onions. So use which onion for what. Okay, what we have here is a spring onion, and down the bottom end here we have a nice bulb. Okay, so it's nice and round down there. You would use these things, you could do this in a roast. It's really nice because it's got that really subtle sweet onion flavor to it. And you can also use it in some dressings as well, but just be careful of the sharpness, so always add a little bit of sugar. Next onion that we got is eschalot. Okay, so it's almost like a small version of your Spanish onion, so it is pink on the inside. These are amazing in vinaigrette dressings. Okay, so it's got adds that little bit of something to your dressing. This is great to use. They're also really good roasted, and then you can put some jus over the top of those and just demi glaze them in a pan. They're really tasty for that as well, so they hold up for both things like that. The next onion that we've got here is a white onion. This is used a lot in Mexican cooking, and it's used a lot in moles and such. It's got a really sort of base flavor to it, and it just adds a little bit of depth to what you're using it for. You can use it raw. Most of the time it is used raw, and then you can cook it slightly as well. But if you're going to cook onions, your brown onion is the way to go. Okay, so your brown onion is used for making pasta sauces. It's used in a lot of things, but majority of the time it's cooked, because if you had that in a salad or a dressing, it's got this really sharp harshness to it. So cooking out this onion would be perfect. Now, another thing that I like using in salads is Spanish onion. Sometimes people find that a little bit too strong, but this is great for using where you slightly cook it off, so it's got a little bit of crunch to it as well. So you can use this in tacos and such, or stir fries. This Spanish onion is the way to go. Or if you're a fan of onion like myself, you can use it in salads also. Lastly, we've got some green shallots here. So I actually really love this onion because not only can you use the tops as garnishes or as a slight onion flavor in stir fries and such, but you can use the bottoms as well. You can use that in a lot of things like Asian style cuisine food, or you can use it in guacamole. Just a really subtle onion flavor which you can have raw without being too offensive. Enjoy.